Hi, good morning. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Google Fusion table. Fusion tables are an exciting new way to map the different attributes of locations, services using a set of Excel data merged or overlaid on a Google map to show the location of different things. So with this set of data, um, I'll be using a fusion table to explain or to show the different um, locations a sale of a property has taken place and the price of that sale. And then I'll use the different buckets in that to show how the prices have differed. So the most important is that when we have a Google Fusion table is we need a location. And in order to have a location, you have to have a street address or the numbers and the name of the road, city, state, and postal code. And we merge if in your Excel data they're in separate columns. We can use a function called concatenate to bring all of that together. So here I've already done it, and you can see here that it's equals concatenate open parentheses A2 comma you do quotations space end quotations comma B2 city, the same thing, and that's to indicate a space. California state comma postal code. So I'm going to show you how to do that again. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to do equals concatenate. Text 1 is going to be the number, comma. I just moved over. Comma, space, quotation, space, quotation, comma, city, comma, space, quotation, space, quotation, comma, state, comma, space, quotation, space, comma, postal code, and then close parentheses. And you see here our output shows us each of these, a result of each of these. And then we're able to see even, I'm just going to drag that down and resize our columns. And that's how you create a location for Google Fusion to recognize. So I'm going to save as extra credit data for final Fusion. Okay. And then once that's saved, I'll go over to Google Drive. Okay. And then you're going to go to upload. Then actually you're going to do create. You have to have Fusion Table here, and if not, you can do connect with more apps down there. So click on Fusion Table. This will bring up a new screen. So I will choose a file from my computer. And that will be this one that I've just selected. Let me make sure that it's closed, which it is. Otherwise it won't upload. Then I'm going to hit next. And I don't want to import that table. So now I'm going to do create Fusion Table. And because this data is already going to be on here, I can do this. It's asking me to sign in. Access here real quick. There we go. Once you are able to upload that, you find the column where it has all of your street addresses. In this case, it's all over here, but I'll bring it to the rest so you can see it. And I'll resize this. And if it's not showing up, what you want to do is apply a filter to this actually. You click this down arrow over here, go to change. Make sure that the type is a location. Let's save these changes, and I'm going to go over to this map here, and it'll be it will geocode, which means it will the Fusion Table will place all of the locations onto a map, and this way we're able to select the different buckets. And in this instance, we'll be having different colors expressed for the sales price. That looks good. So here's our map. Go over here. Right now you see we have each of these bullets. When you click on each one, it'll tell you the street address, how much it's sold for. But right now all of them are red, so I'm going to change feature styles under a marker icon. buckets, and I'm going to divide it into, there's a lot of data, so I'm going to use 6 buckets, and I'm going to ask it to use this range, which automatically fills in and divides how many buckets there are by an appropriate scale. Good, so now you can see that different colored dots on our map indicate a different sales price. And also have an automatic legend here. There we go. Done. That looks really nice. Now I can see each of these different bullets means something different. And this is a very useful tool, so this is how you do a Google Fusion table.